Welcome to a journey through the most remarkable advancements in medicine. Over the past 50 years, we've witnessed a revolution in drug development leading to treatments we could have only dreamed of just a generation ago. These breakthroughs, these medical marvels, have fundamentally changed how we approach some of the most challenging diseases. From transforming deadly infections into manageable conditions to targeting cancer with unprecedented precision, these 15 innovations have rewritten the script for countless patients around the world. This isn't just about adding years to life, it's about adding life to years. These medical game changers have brought hope where there was despair and healing where there was suffering. Let's explore the science behind these incredible breakthroughs and the profound impact they've had on humanity. In the 1980s, an HIV diagnosis was a terrifying death sentence. Then came the development of antiretroviral therapy, or ART. This combination of drugs, taken daily, suppresses the virus's replication, preventing the destruction of the immune system. They're often overlooked, but statins have quietly revolutionized heart disease prevention. By lowering cholesterol levels, these medications significantly reduce the risk of heart attacks and strokes, two of the world's biggest killers. Imagine a life without precise blood sugar control. For millions with diabetes, that was the reality before insulin analogs. These synthetic insulins, designed to mimic the body's natural response, offer greater stability and flexibility in managing this complex disease. Chapter 4. Monoclonal antibodies, precision weapons in the fight against cancer. Monoclonal antibodies are the epitome of targeted therapy. These lab-produced antibodies act like guided missiles, homing in on specific cancer cells while sparing healthy tissue. This precision reduces side effects and improves outcomes for many cancer patients. Chapter 5. Hepatitis C, a cure within reach. For years, hepatitis C was a silent epidemic, leading to liver damage and even death. Now, direct-acting antiviral drugs can cure over 90% of patients in just a few months, a testament to the power of modern medicine. Chapter 6. Immunotherapy, supercharging the body's defenses against cancer. Our immune system is a powerful force, and immunotherapy harnesses its might to fight cancer. These therapies unleash the immune system to recognize and destroy cancer cells, offering new hope for even the most challenging case. Chapter 7. The HPV vaccine is a shining example of preventative medicine. This vaccine protects against the human papillomavirus, a common cause of cervical cancer. By preventing the infection, we can protect future generations from this devastating disease. Chapter 8. Autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis and Crohn's disease can be debilitating. Biologic drugs offer a lifeline by targeting specific parts of the immune system, reducing inflammation and slowing disease progression. Chapter 9. For those living with schizophrenia and other severe mental illnesses, newer antipsychotics have been transformative. These medications help manage symptoms with fewer side effects, allowing individuals to live fuller, more engaged lives. Chapter 10. Antiretroviral therapy for HIV, from despair to hope. The development of antiretroviral therapy for HIV is nothing short of a medical miracle. By suppressing the virus, these medications have transformed HIV from a death sentence to a manageable chronic condition, allowing people to live long, healthy lives. Chapter 11. Targeted cancer therapies. Striking at the heart of cancer's growth. Targeted cancer therapies are revolutionizing how we treat this complex disease. These drugs zero in on specific molecules involved in cancer growth, interrupting its progression and improving survival rates. Chapter 12. Antiviral drugs for influenza, shortening the misery of the flu. While not a cure, antiviral drugs for influenza play a crucial role in reducing the severity and duration of this common illness. By interfering with the flu virus's replication, these medications provide much-needed relief and prevent serious complications. Chapter 13. Antifungal medications conquering stubborn and dangerous infections. Fungal infections can be persistent and even life-threatening. Thankfully, we now have powerful antifungal medications that target and eliminate these infections, protecting vulnerable patients and saving lives. Chapter 14. Anti-malarial drugs, turning the tide against a global killer. Malaria has plagued humanity for centuries, but anti-malarial drugs have made significant strides in combating this deadly disease. These medications work by killing the parasite that causes malaria, preventing its spread and saving millions of lives. Chapter 15. Gene therapy, rewriting the code of life. Gene therapy represents the cutting edge of medical innovation. This revolutionary approach involves altering genes to treat or even prevent disease. While still in its early stages, gene therapy holds immense promise for treating a wide range of conditions. Outro: A healthier future, the promise of continued medical innovation. As we reflect on these 15 game-changing innovations, it's clear that we're living in an era of unprecedented medical progress. These advancements have not only saved lives, but also improved the quality of life for millions around the world, offering hope where there was once despair. The relentless pursuit of knowledge, driven by brilliant minds in medicine and science, continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. We're on the cusp of even greater breakthroughs, with the potential to cure diseases that were once considered insurmountable. The future of medicine is bright, fueled by innovation, dedication, and a deep-seated commitment to alleviating human suffering. Stay tuned, because the most incredible chapters in medical history are still being written.